Welcome all to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a very protein rich and calcium rich food, which is good for many reasons. And this is something that I have been using for not very long, but yes, after I started to know about the benefits of it, I'm kind of a fan of this recipe right now. So the ingredients that we use in this one is a miracle pulse, which is called horse gram, and in Hindi it's also called kulti. And this is basically a very underrated lentil. Hardly people use it. When I was also a kid, I remember that in my place, my family used to make it only once in a year. I don't know why, though we all knew that it is very good for health. And it's basically, as you know, the name suggests horse gram is being fed to the racing horse, so that they can race fast. It is an energy booster, it is a powerhouse, but somehow it is underrated. People do not use it often. So I think this video is just to promote this lentil. This is a powerhouse and we should include this in our diet. And the reason being, it is high in calcium, high in protein, high in iron, and other antioxidants as well. It will keep your body young and vibrant always. So why not just include this? And again, the price is very low. Anybody can afford it. So we should. And this is something that we have been using from ancient times and in Ayurveda as well. This has been are kind of suggested or recommended by Ayurvedic doctors to for curing many diseases. And you name any disease, it cures that. One of the example is bronchitis and asthma. Where people fall sick depending on weather as well during winters. So during winters, you can, if you want to have a lot of energy in your body, you want to keep your body warm. This is the perfect food. So let's see how to make kulthi dal. So what we require for kulthi dal is tomato and some coriander. And I have taken fresh turmeric. I had fresh turmeric, so I have taken, but it is not mandatory. You can take maybe ground turmeric. I've taken garlic and a few fresh chilies and mustard, asafoetida, and two dry chilies and tamarind. And apart from that, the main ingredient, if you actually see, it is the kulthi dal. And if you actually see, I have sprouted it, like soaked it overnight and sprouted it for a day. I'm going to take the sprouts in a blender and I'm going to blend it. One chili for now, and one garlic, and a little bit of water. It's blended if you see. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to heat a container, a pan like that, and I have added a little bit of oil. Now let me just focus on the cooker so that you can actually see. So I've just added a little bit of oil. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the turmeric and the chilies, fresh chilies. So just crush it nicely so that it softens a bit. I've crushed a bit. Now I'm going to add this to the seasoning that we already have put. Now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some tamarind and soak it with water. So I'm soaking it with water. I'll just leave it for some time. Meanwhile, this is cooking and I'm not going to add anything. If you actually see, everything is so fresh. We use fresh turmeric, we use fresh chilies. Everything is fresh. So I'm not using any turmeric or chili powder. Nothing else. Everything is fresh. I like to keep my things very simple. I don't use overuse ingredients. I just use limited ingredients and make it healthy. Because for me, I feel if we use too many ingredients, one, we don't taste the taste of vegetable or lentils. It's like you only taste spices. So I just keep it minimal. So what I do is I add a little bit of salt for it to cook faster. So as I said, because this is sprouted horse gram or kulthi dal, so I don't want to overcook it. So I'll cook it only for 5 to 10 minutes in slow flame. So now what we do, the tomatoes are cooked. So let's see. Now we just add the kulthi dal. The tomatoes are cooked. I'm adding the kulthi dal. If you see, it's like this. Let's cook this in slow flame. It's getting, it's thickening right now, but we are going to add water to this. We can definitely eat even like this. Let me just taste a little bit. Hmm, interesting. It's really good. Even this taste that I see, it'll be like a chutney, as a side dish. And as I said, we are not going to overcook it. So, and if you see, I have lowered the flame. I don't want to cook it high temperature because in high temperature the nutrients get lost. So we do not want to do that. So I'm going to add hot water. So it's better I wash this so that anything which is left out we don't throw. And then let's add this and increase the flame a little bit more. So if you see I've soaked tamarind, no, I'm going to use the tamarind pulp. So add the tamarind pulp to it. So I'm adding more water. This is the soup consistency that I need. Boil a little bit. Once it starts boiling, we're going to turn it off. That's all we want. We do not want to overcook this. I love South Indian flavor, and this is the flavors that we have add is from South India. The mustard, garlic, chilies, coriander leaves, all that. Very simple flavors, but really delicious. So it's done now, right? So I'm going to drink this as a soup. This is done. So this is my lunch today. The sprouted horse gram dal, which is highly proteinaceous, and it has got the calcium, more calcium than any other vegan food in vegan family. So it's really good for vegetarians. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some sprouted horse gram to it on top of, and we're going to use a little bit of coriander to garnish. So if you see how beautiful it is, and it is really tasty, and definitely it is good for a winter or summer because we have soaked it. So this is also good for summer, and because this is hot, we made it, a hot, delicious soup kind of. So this is again good for winter as well. So I'm going to enjoy this one. I definitely recommend you guys try this, adding to your diet maybe weekly twice. and this is going to give you a lot of benefits, a good amount of calcium and protein. So people like me who do not drink milk or dairy products, if I knew this before, I'm sure I would have added a long before than waiting till this time. But nevertheless, it's not too late. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you think this video is going to be useful to others, please share and subscribe. This is going to keep me motivated to post more videos on this channel. I'll see you next time, and be healthy, be safe. Bye bye.